The all-new Honor X7D. 5-star SGS Premium Drop Resistant, 6,500 milliampere per hour. Super large battery. IPS Honor X7D. Extra tough, extra power.
Hello and welcome to Itiske TV. My name is Ngululeko Ngeo. I'm with Ubongani Mnisi Ubobo and Ukhawukhelo Sibata. Thank you very much for joining us. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and you comment on our content as well. Now, later on, or at some point by the time you see this video, Bafana squad for the African Cup of Nations will already be announced. We're not there yet because we shoot these videos in the morning. But what I do want to say about that squad is that there's nothing that's surprising that's going to happen there. It's going to be the same human beings that normally play for Bafana, maybe with 1 or 2, 3 additions. The preliminary squad, however number it was, the names will come from there already, and you can use your logic to say that it is the same 23 that we normally see, with the exception maybe of Umshish Uguti. Is he fit? Is he not fit? We saw him as well on Friday in Algeria trying to by fitness. Maybe he could be the surprise. Maybe the other surprising element would be how many Chiefs players, given that in the preliminary there's 4. But when you think about it, every squad that plays Bafana doesn't normally have Chiefs players, with the exception of Umdu recently. And it's not even about that. It's not about Paris players, Chiefs players. You have to think about who have played in the qualifiers up to this point, and those will be the people, I would imagine, that will play. Bobzit, thank you very much for joining us. How are you doing?
No, ngahle bhuti ngahle Timbulisa Ukhawukhelo.
Yes, sir.
Ngakhohlwa nabafowethu nje esebenza nabo bangekho la.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
We're not going to talk Bafana,
Yeah.
but I do want to ask you, do you agree with the point, Yoguti, we might not see surprises there? It should be, logically, it should be the same people who go to qualifiers.
Yeah, injalo Nkululeko. Ngikhumbula ngasho la ngakutshela ngathi umadala yabaza abantu kumele bahambe nabo AFCON.
Yeah.
So uma ungabheka ulethe abanye abadlali laba uma ungathi uyabheka bebanganayo i-game time emacenjini nabo. Kusho kona ukuthi khona kubhekile. If we can check the likes of Thapelo Morena, abomkwana ngibona bakhona ku preliminary. Abadlali ebebangekho kule squad ebekade sidlala. Abo Fawaz Basadi ngiyabona balethile manje ene ungathi uyabheka le group ayilethile abanye abadlali abangana fitness yila badlali ebekade abasebenzisa kule squad.
Former Bafana players who used to play.
So,
but maybe the 23 will be 18 of his normal number. Maybe with, like I was saying, with Umshishi, maybe a few surprise names. But I don't think it will be something, a breaky internet, which is to say, Abantu Bangakala Gangago. It's the same names because those people qualified for the World Cup, those people have played qualifiers for the AFCON, those people were there at the AFCON, some of them 2 years ago. So I don't imagine there will be any other name except for the ones that are in that group.
yeah, no. Nkululeko, cabanga ubeke ipoint elibaleke kakhulu Nkululeko, because uma ngathi uyibheka i-selection ya coach Hugo Broos kunabadlali mhlawumbe ocabanga ukuthi remember singenza kahle sonke njengoba ngisho ngithi singenza kahle ku position e1 but kunomdlalo ozoprefer coach.
Yeah.
So Hugo Broos, he knows who's going to play or ukuthi ayo participate lapha kule group yalabadlali abayisimela ku AFCON. So ngiyacabanga nje vele uyenze so because of so uyazi ukuthi i-selection yakhe ime kanjani.
There you are. We would be dramatic if we talked about that team because I think it's the same names, really. If you think about it, we can't be expecting people who've never played in the last 4 or 5 years to be playing there, or people who've not featured in the qualifiers to be playing there. But anyhow, that will be the draw. By the time you see this video, maybe the draw will be done already. But what we wanted to focus on in this video is to talk about some of the events that happened over the weekend. Ubobo was not with us on Friday when Sundowns played in the CAF Champions League. I want to get his thoughts on that. It's a draw away to MC Alger. It's Rulani versus Cardoso. What did you think about that? We'll talk about that later in the video, but we'll maybe revisit Chiefs, which we watched. It was myself, Ubobo, Umachaga, and Junior, and then Utso Vilagazi and Lilo Pep were watching with Ushane the Pirates game. Late game at Chiefs, we spoke about it. It was a last-minute goal by Udilan Solomons. Yeah. Of course, a fumble by the goalkeeper. But I think what we need to appreciate here is that Chiefs was in danger of, if you get 0 points from there, Uzodalana Zesko by 2, it would have put you in a position where it's Yonkindo you must win.
Yeah.
Ogamanje, yes, they've not climbed that much because it's 6 points on top, 4 points, and then it Chiefs with 1 point. So it's not too big of a gap. 0-1 is only one difference. So they got maybe a morale boosting draw. But if it was going to be a loss, which maybe it should have been because Zamalek was superior, it would have almost taken them out of the competition.
Yeah, Nkululeko, Unfortunately, i-CAF Champions League ingalendlela le.
I-Confederations.
I-Confed, sorry, I mean, i-Confed, because bese ngikhohliwe ukuthi konje Chiefs idlala i-Confed.
Yeah, even on the weekend you said Champions League.
Is it?
Actually.
No, man.
Upgrade.
Yeah,
it's a big team from Soweto.
No, but deserve ukudlala i-CAF Champions
It's a big team,
That's why
yeah.
it's a big team kuleko. Injalo kuleko. So, i-Confed kuleko ne-CAF Champions League uma ungayibheka. Nje sibeke sithi CAF.
CAF competitions.
You understand? Ingenye indlela kuleko. Awudingi ifuna understand ukuthi ikanjani. Awudingi ukuthi ungayisebenzisi home ground advantage. You must use the home ground advantage. So failing to use the home ground advantage uzoba ne problem because onke amaqembu adlala lapha asebenzisa leyo because azi ukuthi away kumele ngidlale kanjani, ekhaya ngidlala kanjani. So i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs celebrate, but celebrate for only 1 minute ukuthi score goal. But after lapha ama-results athini, we are disappointed. We can't draw ekhaya sidlala ilo kuma group stages. So ekhaya ngendlela ngisho ngakhona, let's collect ama-point ekumele siwa-collect, which is 9 points. If ngihlulekile kumele ngicollect 7 points. So yakhona ukubona ukuthi Chiefs manje kumele wine 2 games wasekhaya.
Yeah, they must beat Zesco, they must beat Al Masry.
2 games wasekhaya kumele wawine because you can't afford to draw ama-game asekhaya or walose ufuna qualify kune next stage.
100% agree. I do want to say though, because we were watching the game all together, we all had the same opinion. Is Zamalek ingcono kune Chiefs?
Yes.
So although you want to win your home games, that one was always going to be tough to win. Unfortunately for you Chiefs, maybe a draw is the one that you like. Okay, getting a draw out of this opposition is not so bad because Bona. I'm trying to think that how would they have beaten Zamalek, because Zamalek scored actually 2 goals in that game. That's why Bapale complained to CAF because they were denied a goal and there was also a penalty moment. I think it was Ukwiniga. There's a player who goes around him and he kicks him on his heel as the ball goes out. That's a penalty moment. Of course, nothing is going to happen. Of course, even if you complain, but Zamalek had moments where they should have wrapped up that game. So maybe a point. It's not good enough at home, but I can't see how Chiefs would have beaten Zamalek.
Kuleyo khuluma iqiniso ngithe uma ngihamba ngahlangana na one of my friends be-Kaizer Chiefs.
Sure.
Bacabanga kwangathi
Khosi for life?
Yeah, Khosi for life. Bacabanga kwangathi mhlawumbe
Ngathi kuyaliwa.
Chiefs uma ngikhuluma lekhe ngibonayo kwangathi Chiefs siyayizonda. Kuleko into kumele sikhulume njengoba injalo. Ama results enzeke weekend ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Even nabo coach be-Kaizer Chiefs abekho happy ngala ma results. Yes, njengoba ngisho ba celebrate for equalize, but abekho happy because babona ukuthi the more uzodraw ama game afana nalawo wenza umsebenzi ubenzima for wena.
Yeah.
So ukukhuluma lento esikhulumayo ngama results we-CAF ku Chiefs into esibonayo Nkuleko. I'm telling you Nkuleko, kusho ukuthi manje kumele Chiefs mayidlala away kube must win nakhona because ngihleka ukuwina ekhaya. So for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi abakakaphumi iqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs lisasekhona, but kunomsebenzi omkhulu uyakhula lo msebenzi because of bona yibo abenza umsebenzi ubenzima. Le ntaba kumele bayigibele Nkuleko, yibo abayenza ukuthi benzima manje because of bafuna ukuluza ama point ekhaya. Nkuleko sebenzisa i-strategy uma udlala i-CAF Champions League. Ngiyadraw away or uma ngabe angidlalanga kahle ngiluzile, but la ekhaya kumele ngazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozophuma. And i-Chiefs enye into enza ukuthi sometimes i-home ground advantage bangayisebenzisi. Nala ekhaya kuyenzeka lokho Nkuleko. I-Chiefs yakwazi ukuluza FNB. Igame engamelanga ukuthi ilose.
The other thing I thought we were going to go there is that bana makhaya maningi. We can go to Durban, we can go to Polokwane, bese Dobsonville. Against Simba it was Dobsonville. Against the team Angola it was FNB. Against this team now Zamalek it was Polokwane. There's no one home. Gupagania, it's Orlando Stadium.
It's Orlando Stadium.
They know every corner of that stadium in Orlando Pirates.
That's true Nkuleko. Uma ungayibheke Orlando Stadium njengoba ngisho, uma ungena nabadlali bakhona they know ukuthi i-pitch ime kanjani. Understand that everything yenzeka lapha eOrlando, you understand. So for i-Chiefs yes khona la i-benefit akhona ngokuthi idlalele mhlawumbe le even nama supporter financially nama supporter akhona la mhlawumbe bawonceda khona la angakhona ukufinyelela la i-Chiefs idlala khona. But uma ungayibheka nayo lento le affect i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingadlaleli ku stadium esi1. Mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona Nkuleko because like i-Sundowns they know ukuthi mabayi Loftus ama team adlala i-CAF Champions League uma bayi Loftus ukwenzakalani. We understand. So mina ngiyacabanga nako lokho ukuthi maybe if bengaba nendawo la khona i-Chiefs idlalela khona sithi la indawo ye-Chiefs ngiyacabanga nako lokho bengayi-assista kakhulu.
Absolutely. We're still going to continue with the Champions League in the Confederations Cup Maibuya next year. But Chiefs is in a very difficult position. Like I want to go now to Sundowns, Norolane and Okadoso in that game. But I want to emphasize this, that it's going to be very difficult. Maybe to close it, the positive is that maybe they just need a partner for Umabue. I'm thinking now what were the positives, because Umabue had a very good performance there. Kunalezi into analyze. I was asking Junior Ngabo, the wing over Lepai, no Vilagaz. I don't think those players are bad. I don't think they're going to be bad players. Maybe they might be good professionals in 2 years, something like that. I think something is coming there, but maybe they might not be Abo Mufukeng, Nabo Banban, Nabo Apolis, but they will be decent professionals. But the positive is that in Mabue they have a player. Also, no Solomon's going forward, there's maybe some results coming through as well. Although he leaves them vulnerable emva kwakhe.
Nkuleko uma ukhuluma ngomdlalo ofana noMabuye. Ngithe uma ngifika ngibukela le game. Ngakhohlwa ukuthi yazi mase uphethe mic kunezinto ozikhohlayo ungakwazi ukuzikhipha uzikhumbule.
Sure.
Yazi uMabuye the way adlala ngakhona Kaizer Chiefs njengoba usho ukuthi mina bengifisa ngathi angasondela kancane. Adlale njengoba adlala lo 8 adlale lo 8 asondele phela uMabuye can score. Khumbula ukuthi uMabuye I think mhlawumbe iposition angayidlali yena ngimcompare no Thapelo Mrena. Thapelo Mrena can play noma ngabe yipi position.
Yeah.
So naye uMabuye uyambona ukuthi it's a utility player. You can use uMabuye kuma position different. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukufika kwaMabuye Kaizer Chiefs manje kuyinikeza something. uMabuye kudala dlala ama competition we CAF. Ngiyacabanga ngiy understand. So ngingazi ukuthi la khona bazomphera nomdlali mhlambe ofana noCele or noNdlovu kuzoyenzakalana.
It will be interesting to see that.
Yes. Because mara ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyabanceda kakhulu umdlalo ofana noMabuye. Expect uMabuye ngiyabona nje igame elandelayo bangafesa ngaye. The way ngibona adlale ngakhona uyadeserve ukuthi angafesa uMabuye njengoba simbona umthetho beka protector abadlali abafana noMabuye, then akamnikeze leyo freedom uMabuye asondele next to the box because uyakwazi ukudlala lawo short passes, uyakwazi ukudlala lama ding pass. Ungabonile abashaya la khona ngithi uma ungathola labadlali abafana nabo Dupreez team
maybe you will have a good partnership nabo Lilepo as well. Players who want to run behind, about Dupreez and nabo Lilepo, players who want to run behind. Maybe when they're there, interestingly the point you make as well, Uti, even uSpecial Ndlovu no Cele, if he can partner with them, it might be a dangerous midfield. Who I'm worried about with them, Umthetho ukuthi, yes, he defends, of course, we clap hands for defending. The other part is that Magamele alikhulule liye teammate, maybe that's where there's a problem. Because that partnership is pana ngoMabuye okwamanje, but maybe if he has another one who can find him, maybe we'll get better and better.
Umthetho uzobashaya ngento eyi-1. U-understanda ukuthi i-6 position idingani. Because the two uNdlovu noCele banokuyilahla iposition. Kubaleke kakhulu ukuthi mawudlala as a 6 Nkuleko ungayilahla iposition. Understand
like an extra center back.
If sikhuphuka ngama wing back, wena you must know ukuthi the 2 center back ubantu bagadile ku rest defense, you understand. So ilento mhlawumbe ngithi umthetho uzobabhitha ngayo.
Yeah, because he does defend, sure.
Yes.
The problem is that when he has the ball, because he's still a midfielder, kumele distribute leyo ball, and this is where the problem comes.
Kumele bavele labo 8 position abavele benza umsebenzi ukuthi benzeni bakwazi ukusupply labadlali up front. Yena nje kuphela protected defense because angeke ashaya umsebenzi we8, ashaya umsebenzi we10, ashaya umsebenzi we6. Yena kadlale njenge 6 position. Then laba benza umsebenzi wabo babe effective. Ngiyacabanga nako lokho ngikhana uzombona ukuthi uyafunction because manje uzombona ngathi akafunction because kunabantu kumele benze umsebenzi wabo. Sekumele ukuthi ayenze ama double job, aka defend, bona benze umsebenzi wabo. Ngiyacabanga kunganceda nako lokho.
Nice one. That's Kaizer Chiefs against Zamalek. We did the videos, of course, you can go and watch them if you missed them over the weekend. It was a nice game. Zamalek playing a typical African football game. They were superior, but they are restricted by their ideology, I think, North Africans, that whenever they play away, they want to scare you, first 10 minutes, and then they push back. Even if when they scare you, they score 2 goals, they will still push back after 10 minutes. They manage the game like that. They let it drag on. They play like Italians. They let the game drag on, and then in the last 10 minutes, they do the same thing again. If they were open, thoroughly open, they would have easily won that game. For Kaizer Chiefs, it's a positive in a sense that it was a losing game, a losing battle until the last moment where at least 0-1 is better than 0. We move on then to Friday. It was a blockbuster build-up. We're talking about Coach Rulani and his former team, Mamelodi Sundowns. Of course, that was a build-up. Coach Cardoso reminded us that it's not Cardoso versus Rulani. It is Mamelodi Sundowns against MC Alger. Now, our job in media is to promote these games and tell you that they are playing. So we will always say this one against that one and that one against this one. Ultimately, though, indaba isebaleni uba xa unompempe bekhalisa impempe kufuneka abadlali badlale. Unfortunately, we saw a 0-0 draw, even though we were building it up, even though the tickets were sold out for within 2 hours, as they say in Algeria. The game was not so great. Mamelodi Sundowns again. Bobzit, I want to ask you about something that we speak about.
Yeah.
I know you love the club, but I also love your honesty about the positional game. Uma ingakhipheli ama shots at goal in inenkinga. Yes, Sundowns were not too bad in that game. They were not overawed. But when you compare the types of chances, you see that the goal scoring opportunities came with MCLJ, maybe two of them. It wasn't too many, but maybe 2 or 3 of them. With Sundowns, there is this thing, and we saw it in the games against the Pirates, these high-level games where the opposition allows you to get the majority of the ball, but you don't have any shots at goal, any shots on target. So we thina siyabhaza ngephilosophy nangokudlala ukuthi oh wow, it looks nice, but it's becoming normal now at the highest level. I'm not talking about against Richards Bay and Abobanban. At the highest level where the other team allows you the ball, and Urulani did that as well. Avalanche Utebza, and then there's no shots at goal. From what you saw of that game, were you worried about that you have the ball but no shots at goal? And what was the summary of that game?
Kuleya game into engakutshela ukuthi uma sikhuluma mhlawumbe ngokukhipha ball position ungathola ama shot on target, it depends ukuthi udlalaphi, udlala which competition. Remember, udlala away. To keep a ball position, kusho kona that's a part of defending. Udefenda ngebhola. So mina lapha ucoach Cardoso that is why I give him credit ukuthi adlala draw. Why langana shot on target? Why? Because uthole lento bekafuna i-draw. I-draw uyithola kanjani na? Uyithola ngayo lento ukuthi sometimes uhlala emuva or else ukeep i-ball position bangalitholi. But i-Sundowns ibe nenhlanhla ngani ukuthi MC Alger ibe na nalama chances engathi watholile, but uRonza kwazi ukuhlanganipha. Ungambheka lapho uRonza kunama bhola lapho ekhona zonke. You understand? He's a sweeper. You understand? So yilento bekayifuna ucoach Rulani ukuthi okay, singiyazi labantu ukuthi bazofuna ukulinoka, but i-defense ye-Sundowns uyazi kahle ukuthi slowly. Immediately baphusha kancane beza la. Let's try ukuthi babambe ngani ngespeed. But uyazi kahle ukuthi bane number 5, which is uRonza. Ilast defense yethu. So uma ngathi uCardoso lento ayitholile uhappy for yona. Ilama results Nkululeko, because uma udlala iCAF Champions League udlala away bekasho ucoach Pitso ukuthi hamba uyodraw ubuye uzowina ekhaya. Phelele khona lapho. Lokho ukuthi mhlambe udlale kanjani beke Al-Ahly nama Stars, but mangathi hamba analyze Al-Ahly ubuyele emuva ubheke ukuthi beyidlala kanjani, ayidlaleli ukuthi ifuna ukuhlobisa. That is why mayobheka ama stats kuCAF Champions League izokunikeza iproblem lama stats babheka ama results kakhulu. Yes, I'm
North Africans don't care about anything. They want to win.
Yeah, understand. So into engayisho ukuthi ucoach Rulani Nkululeko ngiyacabanga ukuthi ube disappointed ukuthi angalitholi goal. The last 10 minutes uma ngayibheka he was keep on knocking afuna lela goal. So unfortunately abazange balithole. So ngingendlela bengibona ngathi uplane ngayo ukuthi no, you know what, sometimes asibanikeze Sundowns because ibheka ama stats ball position ku Sundowns against ucoach Rulani. Umuntu esimaziyo ukuthi team yakhe ikwazi ukuligcina ibhola. Ayifuni ukunikeza i-opponent ibhola. So mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi for ucoach Cardoso ne-technical team yakhe babe happy uma kuphela le game ngale draw, but bangabi nendaba ukuthi ama stats amanye kanjani. So kumele ukuthi lento le umjaje manje uma afika la ekhaya ukuthi yena ufuna ukudlala kanjani, because you can't play home keep ball position but ungana shot on target, which means awufuna ukukora.
So you would be more worried if it was at Loftus and you didn't have shots at goal?
Obvious, bengizoba worried Nkululeko because now uma ungabheka ukuthi lento bekayifuna i-draw, hamba uyobheka uMatthews. I think utouch ibhola ka less than 15. Less than 15.
And in recent matches anayo u-right winger. As well, you just pack the midfield ngabo Rashinho, Nuno Santos, Utebza, no Allende, but you don't exactly have a right winger. You rely on Umudao to go on the right wing, and then you are flying with Matthews alone. And now he never have moments of attack in attack. And that for me, I agree with you on one part. Uguti Njongoba is consistent. Uguti Njongoba Kulumanga Chiefs at home and away, what you must do. I agree with you on that part. I look at Sundowns in its totality. There's now a trend I'm picking up where the opposition looks happy to give you that ball. knowing that as long as we don't suffer with that ball, as long as we keep you areas which are not dangerous, and this is where I want an evolution tactically with Sundowns ukuthi njengoba bona because it's a risk to give someone a pole position.
Yeah, it's a risk.
Because you are calculating ukuthi they're not going to use it. What is the additional layer sophistication with Sundowns? Ubani ozonivulela makuvaliwe na? Because I do think that if Sundowns beyithola mhlawumbe ama opportunities like 2 or 3, they would have wanted to score. Even if Bafuna draw, they would have wanted to score. And I look at that game in its entirety, there is a lack of opportunities.
Kulego, you need only 2 people, 2 players abangakwenzela lento. Udinga individual brilliant. You need mdlalo on a skill Kulego. Okwazi ukuthatha ama defender on. Udinga mdlali ofana nomshishi.
Yeah, njengoba bamfaka, I was actually thinking we might see something.
Yeah, because umshishi uyakwazi ukuthi angaminus abadlali. The more aminus abadlali, yila khona sikwazi ukuthi kuvuleka ama pockets, sikwazi ukudlala. So if umshishi uzoba khona duze kwebox, yila khona ungasho ukuthi ungayibreaka leya defense. Ungazama ukuthola lawo ma shot on target. You understand? And enye into futhi if udlala deep Nkuleko, allow Debza. That's why I like sometimes ukuthi kube nomdlali ozogada uDebza nje bathi obasahlala gada uDebza. Unikeza uDebza
iyadlala
leyo chance yokuya because
he had one
can take them a long
moment
range.
in the first half. He had one moment where he eliminated Utebza from his own half. He eliminated 3 or 4 players. He just got tired at some point as he was doing that. That player uthatha risk ngoba uAlene uyacirculate, receive a pass.
Yeah.
And other players, Abonuno, they're looking to breaking a pass. Utebza, when he can see that kuvaliwe, he's like, okay, the only thing I can do here is take the risk, which is, let me take on this one in front of me, and then kuzoba, people are going to be stretched. People are going to come out of their positions, and then chances might come. And I agree with you to some degree that if you want to liberate him, kuzomele ube ne defensive midfielder. Because he's your own defensive midfielder, so you can't expect him to drive with the ball the whole time.
Unfortunately njalo Nkuleko, but uyabona ukuthi yamdinga uDebza ukuthi sometimes if bekakwazi ukuthi udlalise omunye umuntu ku6 uDebza umdlalise ku8 because ukubreaka lela bonda kunendlela eziningi zokuthi ubreak. Abadlali abafana noMabhena nginokusho ngithi if uMabhena khona you can use uMabhena ukuthi Nkuleko, you know ukuthi uskillful uthatha abadlali on kunala khona bazokhona bazoyilose shape Nkuleko, angeke bahlale ba defend as a chain, bazothi mabathi kuzovuleka ama space. That is why umdlalo ofana no Ribeiro bekayenza le the more athatha amachita kuvuleka ama right ngama space la khona uReynolds
they can't watch him.
We understand
when kumele ushiye lo onayo, you must go and commit, then a space opens up, then it creates a chain reaction, so you can't just break people in a pass. But on the positive side though, I just want to double check the league standings. I think you are on 4 points. Lupopo and Al Hilal played to a 1-1 draw as well. So it's 4-4-1-1, if I'm not mistaken. But we'll double check that in the CAF Champions League. That's Mamelodi Sundowns. So they are in a very good position in terms of the long standings. Of course, number 1 and number 2 are the ones that qualify. So Sundowns are on 4 points. Al Hilal Omdurman from Sudan, who are playing away from home actually, because there's a civil war in South Sudan and Sudan. 4 points, Sundowns and Al Hilal. MC Alger and St. Elo Lipopo on 1 point each. Let's look at Coach Rulani. He will think that that's an opportunity lost. He will feel like he's under pressure, I'm pretty sure, because similar to where Chiefs are, after 2 matches, una 1 point pair. Fortunately for him, my reading of this group is that Ilupopo is a weak team, because of what I've seen. He then is in a position where he has to beat Lupopo. Now against Sundowns, you've already beat them once. You go to Congo, you get those 3 points. Maybe most of the points in the group will be gotten by people who beat Ilupopo.
Yeah, and ukhumbule ukuthi Ilupopo, I think yesterday beyidlala ekhaya.
Yeah, stadium Semazembe, in TP Mazembe Stadium.
Ngiyacabanga manje ukuthi iyodlala away iya ku Coach Rulani, if I'm not mistaken. So mina Nkuleko ngibona uCoach Rulani azoyiwina le game because mawungabheka the way Ilupopo idlala ngakhona, I don't think ukuthi uCoach Rulani angahluleka ukudla le team. Yazi Ilupopo Nkuleko ngifuna ukutshela into one, sisuka vele nathi sayibheka the way siyibheka ngakhona, but kunala khona ngisho khona ukuthi uma ungabheka iSundowns Mr. Magola amanga against Lupopo. Amagola amaningi kakhulu. La khona
bekumele ukuthi 3-1,
yeah, it's 3-1.
But you could have won more.
More, yeah, understand. So against Coach Rulani ngiyacabanga ila khona yothola 4 point yakhe. khona coach Rolani ngibheke ukuthi mangathola leya game because udlala ekhaya ngiyacabanga
And
ngiyoba
it's going to be yazi masiku third game udlala nale team A1 and then naku game number 4 is the same team.
Same team.
So it's home and then you go
home
away
and
to them.
away. So khumbula ukuthi if Sundowns draw ne Al Hilal, coach Rolani uyawina, it's 4 points, laba bana 5 points. Uyabona ukuthi uyabuya.
Now you get back into the race.
You understand. So nakhona even oyi1 uzoluza ku Sundowns naku Al Hilal. Yena win game yakhe uzolingana no number 2.
Yeah, he gains
You
momentum.
understand.
Yeah.
So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumele ayiwine. It's like same nalento engapha ku Chiefs ukuthi kumele uwin. Unfortunately Chiefs uyobidlala away.
Yeah.
So ila bonakala ukuthi kuzoba difficult but
Yeah. If
it's a
they
must
win,
away.
at least they eat into that gap.
Yeah.
Lastly, what was your feeling when you faced Coach Rolani?
Kuleko. Mina bengacabanga ukuthi iSundowns ingabuyana lela point. Bengicabanga ukuthi singayiluza because remember the majority yalabadlali abadlala kuSundowns uba coachile uCoach Rolani. And the way uCoach Rolani umazi angakhona uthanda ukugcina ibhola and ilento iSundowns ifuna ukuyenza. And was the way that is why when coach Cardoso abencha uOpre ngithe ngiyayibona lento ayenzayo. Why abench uOpre? Because naye I knew ukuthi uzofuna ukusebenzisa side la Opre because naye beka consider kulelo side la Opre. You understand? So ukuletha umdlalo ofana noLunga.
Divine Lunga. I knew he was going to do that.
We understand beyafuna le recovery because uOpre sometimes recovery yamshaya. Opre kunika 100% uma phathi ibhola libuye. But uma sesibuya ku recovery especially uma ngabe uya overlap the distance yamshaya unlike uma ngabe ukwazi ukuthi invert in the middle of the park kuba short distance ukubuya zo recover. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina ngendlela bengiyibone ngakhona bengibona singeke sibuye.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.